జరిగిన సంఘటన ఓకే వచ్చిందా లైట్ వస్తుందా వాయిస్ 27 మంది మన భారతీయులను పొట్టన పెట్టుకున్న సంగతి అందరికీ అందులో భర్తను కాల్వడం భార్యలు నిలబడే సమయంలో చేసిన ఈ దుర్మార్గానికి యావత్ భారతదేశ ప్రజలందరూ కూడా ఇది చాలా సీరియస్ తీసుకున్నారు మన భారతదేశంలో పాకిస్తాన్ వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా అటాక్ చేస్తారు ఉగ్రవాదులు అనే దాని మీద పెద్ద ఇష్యూ జరిగింది ఆ తర్వాత నరేంద్ర మోడీకి ప్రధానమంత్రికి అన్ని పార్టీలు ఇంక్లూడింగ్ కాంగ్రెస్ కానీ అన్ని రాజకీయ పార్టీలు ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చిండ్రు ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో దీని రియాక్షన్ ఉండాలి పాకిస్తాన్ ఏమనుకుంటుంది ఉగ్రవాదులను పంపించి ఇన్నోసెంట్ పీపుల్ అని చంపిండ్రు అనే దాని మీద సీరియస్ అయింది అప్పుడు అన్ని పార్టీల వాళ్ళందరూ కలిసి నరేంద్ర మోడీకి ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చిండ్రు అయ్యా నువ్వు చాలా సీరియస్ గా తీసుకోవాలి దీన్ని నువ్వు ఏం చేసినా మేము మద్దతు ఇస్తామని చెప్పడం జరిగింది ఆ తర్వాత జరిగిన పరిణామాలు ఎట్లున్నాయంటే 9 స్థావరాల మీద ఏది ఉగ్రవాదుల స్థావరాల మీద ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్ పెద్ద ఎత్తున అటాక్ చేయడం వాళ్ళను మట్టి పెట్టడం జరిగింది తర్వాత జరిగిన పరిణామాలు ఏమి ఉన్నాయో నేను చెప్తాను ఎందుకంటే ఈ వాతావరణం ఎట్లుందంటే భారతదేశంలో ప్రెసిడెంట్ నరేంద్ర మోడీ ఉంటాడు కానీ అమెరికా ప్రెసిడెంట్ డొనాల్డ్ ట్రంప్ ఏమన్నాడంటే ట్రంప్ సెడ్ నరేంద్ర మోడీ సరెండర్ says Rahul Gandhi gets branded Pak agent BJP. Rahul Gandhi accused the BJP and RSS going under pressure and contracted their response with Congress leaders of the past. Reacting to his remarks, BJ called him uncivilized and said the Indians look at him as an agent of Pakistan. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi remarks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi sparked controversy on Tuesday after he alleged that the PM surrendered to US pressure for ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan. Following a call from US President Donald Trump, the BJP has lashed out the leader opposition his remarks saying it is heartbeats for Pakistan. Rahul Gandhi must be paid agent of Pakistan, China for using word like surrender. But the BJP on Tuesday attacked Congress saying its leader Rahul Gandhi's remarks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the remarks on Operation Sindoor make one suspect that he is a paid agent of China and Pakistan. The sally came after Gandhi while addressing a party convention in Madhya Pradesh alleged that Modi surrendered after all from US President Donald Trump during the India-Pakistan military conflict. Hitting back, BJP MP national spokesperson Sambit Patra said Gandhi insulted Operation Sindoor, the armed forces and the country with his comments. Rahul Gandhi emanadu inandi. Rahul Gandhi only said Modi agreed to ceasefire under pressure from the US President Donald Trump. Trump himself said he negotiated ceasefire between India and Pakistan. Why are BJP leaders so agitated? Gandhi spoke the facts. Instead, BJP leaders calling him is the paid agent of China and Pakistan. Let BJP leaders prove it. Gandhi has high regard and respect armed forces for their valor. He did not insult Operation Sindoor. He only questioned why India suddenly agreed for ceasefire. The Congress is still awaiting his answer. Not only that, I am asking, Rahul Gandhi saying that let them, Parliament can call, they can give reply because everybody was hurt. Even Indira Gandhi in 1971 is a fight with Pakistan, but he never surrendered. Today, armed forces, Operation Sindoor, everybody has got high regard, our military people, but nobody was insulted. But the only point is, why previous, when the incident was taken place, all political party was supported to the Narendra Modi to go ahead and give a lesson to the Pakistan. But unfortunately today they are saying we are agent for Pakistan and China, and they are putting some old photographs also. This is a real insult. Narendra Modi ji, don't give, this is a lesson to the everybody, because Indira Gandhi was only lady, she has destroyed Pakistan. Today also we are happy, but before ceasefire, why he is not consulted with the opposition parties, why he has not called? That is the only point he is told. Now they are agent. We are not agent, anybody, everybody knows. When freedom movement, who are associated with the agent, everybody knows. But I don't want to go detail. Who has done, who has not. There is a sacrifice family, Indira Gandhi. Those, Indira Gandhi also, for this militant people only, they killed him. And Rajiv Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, father also killed by militant. This is the situation. Today you are unnecessary, claiming that RSS, BJP, only one program to how to destroy the image of the Rahul Gandhi. So we will not tolerate. Let them, they can call the parliament. Nobody was in the, is our government. Let them, first he can say that they can call the all party and can ask for ceasefire. Everybody will, no doubt. Unless the Donald Trump himself, I have done everything, ceasefire, and he is taking the credit. That's why we are all Indians. Everybody was know that Operation Sindoor was succeeded. Everybody was high regard on the military and our force, but they are creating their agent. They are not agent. They are fight for the independent. They have given a life. Many people have gone to the jail. At that time, where you are there, nobody knows. Today you are unnecessary, bad. This is behind this thing. RSS is working out in the NDA government. Whatever RSS will say, Narendra Modi is following, BJP is following. We will not tolerate unless RSS, they want to divide this country. But Rahul Gandhi want to unite it. For that purpose, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, Bharat Jodo Yatra. And not only that, at that time he said that 90% people who are below poverty, they are totally neglecting, 10% people are enjoying power. That's why he told when we come to the power, we will conduct caste-wise census. Not only that, Jitna Hissedari Utti Bhagidari, for that purpose, Telangana took a first time the caste-wise census and also Assembly and also passed the Assembly, cabinet decision has taken. This is a Diksuchi, this is one of the Telangana, all over India, first they have done the caste-wise census, that they are not saying anything. Narendra Modi, 10 years he was the Prime Minister. 3 times I met him, last time I met him, 85 MPs. You make it one separate department for the, according to our, they have not done. We requested for caste-wise census, but they have not done. Only Sonia Gandhi, IIT, IIM, when the Supreme Court was denied, but talent is not anybody's property. God has given to everybody. We should give opportunity. After that, I went to the Sonia Gandhi, requested, Madam, we come to the local language. We studied in Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Oriya, but talent is our right. Talent, God is in. Then let Sonia Gandhi has requested to Dr. Manmohan Singh ji is the Prime Minister. Bill has put in Parliament. Bill was passed that nobody can understand what High Command. Sonia Gandhi, Indira Gandhi was pro social justice. Same thing today Rahul Gandhi is doing. All this because RSS as long it will be there,